Hello, fourth grade math friends. Yesterday we started thinking about unit fractions and how we can use those to help us decompose or break down fractions into a sum of fractions. And today we're going to take that step a little bit further, thinking about adding fractions using models. Let's take a look at this problem. Mrs. Clark made a loaf of bread. She used 1/8 of the bread for a snack and 5/8 of the bread for lunch. How much did she use for a snack and lunch? So this problem is asking us to find the total amount of bread that Mrs. Clark used. So I'm going to start off by using some fraction strips to help me visualize this situation. This one whole is going to represent the whole loaf of bread that Mrs. Clark made. And then I have my 1/8 fraction tiles here below to help me figure out how much she used in total since she split her bread into 8 equal parts. And I know that because of the denominator in my fractions that are found in my problem. So I know that Mrs. Clark used 1/8 of the loaf of bread for a snack. So I'm going to take that 1/8 and I know that that was for her snack. Then she used 5/8 of the bread for lunch. So I'm going to grab 5/8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that represents what she used for lunch. So now I can think, okay, well, how much did she use altogether in this time? I can count them all up. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8. Or I can start by knowing that I have 5/8 that she used for lunch. And so there's only just one more to bring me to 6/8 that she used in total. The equation that we just used was 1/8 plus 5/8 for a total of 6/8 of the bread. Now, I want us to think about what this equation or what our work might look like if we were asked to complete a model. So I have a quick sketch here of what a model might look like that we're provided with to solve a problem like this. And so what I know is that this one whole represents the whole loaf of bread, just like my one whole fraction strip did. Then beneath that, I have my one whole broken into 8 individual pieces because our problem told us that Mrs. Clark broke her bread or cut her bread into 8 equal pieces or eighths. So I'm going to follow the same process here. I know that each 1/8 piece represents one slice and that she used 1/8 for her snack. So I'll go ahead and shade that in. And I know that's for her snack. And then she used 5/8 for her lunch. So I'm going to shade in 5 pieces to represent the 5 slices that she used. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that these 5/8 were the bread that she used for lunch. And now, again, I see that I have 6 1/8 size pieces that are shaded. I can count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I know that each of those represent 1/8, so I have 6/8 in total. Or again, I know I could start with having 5/8 and just adding that 1/8 in addition that she had for a snack. My equation would remain the same. I still found 1/8 plus 5/8 for a total of 6/8 of the bread.